Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Scam Creation. Today we will learn how to change color of a specific word using Elementor. In this paragraph, I want to change color of some words. Edit this text element by clicking on the pencil icon. Here is editor open. If this menu bar is not showing, then click on this expand icon. Now select the word you want to change the color and then click on this downward arrow. Select any of these colors. You can also add custom color code. I want it to be red and you see color is changed. I am also changing share word color. There is also another way to change color of specific words by using CSS. Write the word inside the span tag and then use style property of CSS. Also add color code that you want to be. Color has been changed. View this page. You can see I have successfully changed the color of specific word. If this video helped you, then like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest videos. Thank you.